This is a review of the VIPEKS wardrobe that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to explain all the main key points to this and as to why this is probably one of the best wardrobes you could get for your room or for your closet. So one of the main few things I do want to explain about this particular wardrobe is that this is by far, let's go to the main points that for the installation wise, it's very easy to install. You can see here that the quality of this is really amazing as well too. But for the installation wise is that it's very easy because the instructions that it comes with, it tells you all the main, like how exactly you put it on. I do love the fact that it's really sturdy and durable. You could probably fit a lot of heavy clothing in this as well too. You can also see that not just that, but you could put your hats, you could put your sunglasses, you could relatively put a lot of things in this thing. And you could put your hats or pretty much jeans, pants, shirt, tank top, jackets, pretty much everything. And I'm super happy with it because of the fact not only that, but it's just, it's very durable. It doesn't move at all. It's very sturdy. Now you could probably fit a lot of more clothing in this as well too, and it's not going to go move at all either. And also the main, one of my main favorite, most favorite thing about this particular wardrobe and this rack is that it's also adjustable as well too. So what that means is that if you had, like, for example, I have it like up to right here, you could also adjust this. So what that means and what that does is that you can move this, if you have a lot of clothes or you're just trying to store more clothes, then you can move this whole thing and move it all the way there. And that's, I'm going to go show you guys that. So pretty much this thing in particular, this will move all the way to there. So this is adjustable as well too. So you could extend this to make it more long as well too. And you can see here, this is where I put my jackets and clothing. So this is also a place where you can store it. And you can see here as I'm moving it, it's really sturdy and durable. Really amazing product. And I'm super happy with it. And you could pretty much store a lot of stuff here as well too, like your shoes. You can put shoes as there too, like I put on right over there on that side as the word too. And what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to go move this a little bit to show you guys how cool this is. Okay, so if you notice, this is adjustable as well too. So right over here on the bottom, you can see here that this could extend as well too. Now, I probably don't need to do that, but I did a little bit to show you guys the difference. This is now a little bit more longer. So this is one of the cool things I love about this wardrobe and this rack in particular is that you could also adjust this to all the way to there, and then you can also make it small as well too. And that's the main thing about it is that you could adjust this, and if you have a lot of clothes, like a lot of clothing, jackets, shirts, then you could pretty much make this longer and pretty much store a lot of stuff in this. I overall would definitely recommend this wardrobe because of the fact that it's adjustable. You could set it as much as you want. If you have a lot of clothes, you could store a lot of clothes in this thing, and also shoes as well too. Pretty much shoes, shirts, you name it, pretty much everything. And you can see here the quality of this is really super amazing as well too. And not just that, the main point is that if to install it, installing it is very relatively easy. And it's not too hard at all. It's really easy. And if you go with the instructions, it's very easy to build this whole thing. And it just, I just overall, love it. And I would definitely recommend this VIPEKS wardrobe clothing rack to anybody that's looking to store clothing or pretty much your shoes or pretty much shirts, everything. Then this is by far one of the best wardrobes and clothing racks you could get. And I would highly recommend the VIPEKS wardrobe clothing rack to everyone that's wanting to store clothing or pretty much their shoes. This is by far my most favorite and one of the best ones, and I would definitely recommend this product to everyone.